I'm here today with Kari Terho, who's General Manager for Elisa Smart Factory, who are going to be one of the premium sponsors at Future Manufacturing Technologies Conference and Expo in Malmö at the end of May. We'll be running a short interview just to get a bit more of an idea about Elisa and what they are doing within the Smart Factory scene. So firstly, welcome, Kari.
Thank you.
For those that have maybe not heard about Elisa Smart Factory, can you just give us a little bit of background on the company and the solutions that you're providing within the Smart Factory area?
Yeah, well, first of all, Elisa is established in 1882, so we're not a new company, and the background is in the telco business, so we're the largest telco in Finland and Estonia. But what I represent is a startup, a pure software startup company inside Elisa, where the only investor is the Elisa. So Elisa Smart Factory is our brand and business unit's name. So what we do then factory digitalization, which is coming from the actual kind of a telecom operations, where we have changed our way how we manage our network. So you could think that we manage and operate the company called Finland. So 50% of telecom traffic goes through our networks in Finland, and if we fail and our services fails, then Finland fails.
Okay.
So
no pressure.
That's really the background, and just kind of an idea how we operate our networks. Last year, 83% of all incidents were handled by predictive maintenance. So that is the background, and that is exactly the same where we help our manufacturing companies. So predict the failures, understand where the waste is generated, reduce the waste, increase the quality, and etc.
Okay, perfect. And can you give just a little bit of insight into how Elisa can provide manufacturers with a holistic view of their operations and tools, for example?
Yeah. So in a very kind of a packed message, or in a nutshell, it's what we do is we provide a visibility and real-time visibility to the shop floor. So I mean, you can take mobile phone by any time and you can access to real-time to your data. So we give that insight by providing the information so that you can have the understanding what is happening right now, but not only what is happening, but why something is happening as well. And when we have that understanding, then we can also start to predict the future. So what will happen? And that three kind of pillars is what we then provide and deliver as a solution to our customers. What, why, and then the future, what will happen.
Okay, perfect. And would you be able to give us an example of a customer that you've been working with and the benefits that they've gained from the collaboration?
Well, there are a lot of customers. So the biggest our customer is Procter & Gamble. So currently, we are on the way of installing new factories. So by end of June, we have almost 10 factories running with our solution around the world.
Okay.
We have Danfoss is one of our customers.
Yeah.
ZF, one of the, or even the biggest auto OEM is one our customer. Ego, a electric car factory in Germany, is our customer. Envision, an electronics company like Danfoss in Czech, is our customer.
Okay.
Etc. etc. So we have a lot of customers around the world, mainly in Europe.
Yeah.
And I think that is also the very important thing, is that we are not only showing PowerPoint slides and telling what you should do. We actually have implemented a lot of solutions And as we speak, we are implementing more solutions.
Okay, perfect. So you're gaining a lot of experience from that type of thing, I would imagine.
Correct, correct.
Okay, good, good. And I mean, in that instance, you must speak to quite a lot of manufacturing organisations. What do you feel is holding some of them back from really kind of embracing this type of technology and other Industry 4.0 solutions?
I would say that in generally, we have had I've been visiting customers 3-4 years a lot, having walking through a different factory shop floors for past 4 years, and speaking also in the different events in the past 4 years. And I think it has changed now. Now we are having more concrete projects. There are budgets, so we're still one of the biggest reason why we don't have really the implementations is the kind of everyone more or less understands that there's a need to do something, but we're still missing in many cases the budget. And the difficulty is that where the budget should be. Is it the part of the IT budget where we have my SAP renewal or my MES, implementation, or should I have a kind of a future development budget? So the digitalization budget, and that's causing. I see that is really a one obstacle and kind of a challenge when we are, competing of the money which is going to some IT renewals. And then then the second thing maybe. So the budget is the one thing that you would have a clear budget for the digitalization and Industry 4.0. And the second thing is that the lack of the top management kind of involvement and support really for the projects. So those two things.
Okay, all right. So the budget and then the buy-in from the kind of management at the very senior level are the two.
Very top management, yeah.
Bottlenecks at the moment. Okay, all right. Well, interesting to hear that. Kari will be giving a presentation at Future Manufacturing Technologies Conference and Expo in Malmö at the end of May. So we're very much looking forward to that, and looking forward to seeing you there, Kari.
All right, see you then. Thank you.
And if you are watching this and you would like to join us at the event, then you can get tickets by clicking on the website link that is on your screen right now. Thank you.